Hi, I'm Simon from Pearlywinks Craft Supplies, and I'm going to show you how to do a simple blending technique using a blending brush and our sprays. So first of all, you need to take your card. In fact, yeah, so I'll put my card down there. I'm going to be working with a palette, and I'm going to be using our magic drops. So you may notice quite a few of my sprays have got ink on them. That's because I didn't put the lid on when I was bottling them properly. So they leaked. Lesson to oneself, make sure you put the lids on. So what I'm doing is I'm just popping some magic drops onto my glass mat. Just 1-2 drops. And then I'm just working them in to my blending tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the lightest colour first. I'm going to go from a yellow to a green. Not tried this combination before, but here goes. So in my palette, what I'm going to put, I'm just going to put 2 squirts of the yellow. In fact, no, I'm going to put 3. So that's the yellow ink, and I'm going to put 3 drops, squirts of the lime green wink. Now I'm going to pick up the ink on to my blending tool. I'm going to work most of the way down the card with the light colour, because I put the magic drops on. They will blend and extend the product and make it go just that little bit further. It also stops the product from drying on the card straight away. So it allows you to create the blend. And I'm just going to flip this around. I'm going to wipe my surface as well, because what will happen is if I don't, this new blending brush will pick up the colour. It's more important when you're going for it if you start on a dark colour. So then starting on this side, I'm just going to work my way up into the yellow. Even when there's none left, I'm going to keep going. What this will do, it'll draw the colour further and further, and because they've got those magic drops in, what that allows it to do is create a better blend. A more natural blend from one colour to the other. Now I'm just going to go over this section here and drag more yellow over the green and keep going back and forth until I'm happy with the blend. So we can see that that's gone from created an ombre effect. I'm just going to dry that with the heat gun. Excuse me. Now before I flip that over, I'm just going to wipe just in case there is any excess liquid on there, which will end up ruining the image and the blend that I'm trying to create. Right. So there you have an ombre going from lime green all the way through to yellow. If you want to add a bit of sparkle, why not add some of our glitter pearl? The glitter pearl is fantastic. It's not an over the top glitter effect, but it just adds a little bit of sparkle just to make it a little bit extra special. The best way to do this is from quite high up. If you want an even coat, do it quite high up, say probably about 12 inches up, and spray over the top. Another way to do it is if you spray into the air and then waft your product into it, the glitter will fall and it will create less of a splodgy effect. So I used 4 sprays of the glitter pearl there, and the glitter is quite intense on this. Oh yeah, that's being picked up there. I'll just turn it around and just see if you can see it. It's not as noticeable on the yellow, but it is there. That's just another way of using our sprays. So I hope you've liked this tutorial. The next one that I'm going to do is I'm going to blend with quite a few different colours. A similar technique to this one, but I'm going to use more than 2 colours to blend from one colour to another. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll speak to you again soon.